Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to show you how you can securely fix wide timbers such as this one across this way, affix them to other pieces of timber just by using screws. So to securely fix wide timbers with screws you'll need a few items which I'll go through now. First of all, you need an auger bit which is longer than a general drill bit, and this will help you to make a clearance hole all the way through the width of the board. You'll also need a Forstner bit, and this is to make a clearance hole for the washer. You'll also need a long screw dependent on how wide your board is. A washer, this one in particular is around 20mm in diameter. And a decent drill, like a combi drill with a decent amount of power. You'll also need an impact driver with a drill bit extender so that you can drill the screw deep into the timber. So this board measures around 15 centimeters or 6 inches or so in width. And I have a screw here, and this is around 120mm. So it's not as wide as the board, as you can see. The Forstner bit, I'll be using that to drill about halfway down into the wood, and the washer will go onto the screw, as you can see here, and then it will sit about halfway down. Here's a little diagram that I made up to make it easier to understand. So to start off with, we need to drill the hole with the Forstner bit, and this is roughly the same diameter as the diameter of the washer that I'm using. It's going roughly halfway into the wood, and then with the auger bit we can drill the clearance hole all the way through. And as you can see, the washer and the screw goes down into the wood, and then there is some of the thread protruding out the back end. You want a good amount, 6 to 8 centimeters or so, or thereabouts. Again, it does depend on how wide your board is, but as you can see, this is how it's going to go. The extension bit will go down into that hole. You'll also want a decent quality impact bit to help you to drive the screw in. So here I am attaching this wide timber to an existing fence post. As I say, sometimes it's very useful to use this method, and that impact driver just helps to drive it right deep into the wood and give a nice solid fixing. And as you can see, it's nice and solid and secure. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So there you have it. That's how you can strongly, securely fix wide timbers such as this to other pieces of wood, nice and strong and solid. It works for me. Sometimes you need to do this in awkward situations and you can't use any fancy joinery, and with a screw and a washer you can get a nice solid fixing. If you can imagine, if you were to just use a screw that was longer than this piece of wood, say a 200mm screw, you wouldn't get as much strength in the fixing because there'd be too much leverage against the screw here. So if you push this one side or the other, you could rip the screw out. So with the screw being countersunk halfway down the wood with the washer, it gives it a much more sort of strength this way. I'm not sure how to scientifically explain that, but try it for yourself, and please let me know if you have any tips on how to do this also. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.